Hey there. Oh gosh, y'all, I'm coming to y'all with a full heart to say thank you for all you that showed up for our very first holiday art walk. Y'all, it surpassed anything I ever imagined. We had the fundraiser. We made a lot of money for Florida Panhandle Golf Therapy Alliance and Food for Kids. In fact, we made over $35,000, but the good news is you can still give. You can give to each organization, let them know it's because of the holiday art walk, but just thank you from the bottom of my heart for each of you that came out and celebrated the season with us and celebrated giving to others. It was such a huge success for all you art lovers, all you Christmas lovers, all you holiday lovers, and mostly it was a great time to get together and love each other and give with each other. So we are for sure gonna do it next year. So stay tuned and know that this is gonna be an event that's gonna go on and on because of all your generosity. Thank you so much.